And fast forward to that family meeting. It is time. All eyes are on me. The spotlight is on me. And I have to say it.
I want to become a computer engineer.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Dogecoin update today. And Dogecoin is pretty sideways right now, and we're going to talk about if it's going to move up or not. So previously on the private, we've been able to catch some few pump yesterday. It was really good. We got bonk for a 15% move up, and then I gave a Pepe update and this was like a 51% profit that I was giving. And we bought at 1347, tried to sell it at 2017. This was like a 51% move that happened within 2 hours. Within 2 hours, we literally bought the whole pump, but I sold it for a 12% and I missed the whole 40%. And we're still mad right now. You can see that this is a whole discussion right here going on with the members. Okay, we sold paper so early, it pumped to your exact target. Wish I didn't sell it early and this and that, but we're still happy we got the the profit. We had a bonk profit, we had a Pepe profit, and in 6 days I'm gonna open up the private again for December. And these guys were here for Q4. They got their money worth. They know that they've been having some very good trades right now. And at the moment, what is Dogecoin doing, right? Dogecoin is pretty much, by the way, comment Discord and I'm going to give you an invitation link for you to join. And one more thing is that this is a pattern that is being formed at the moment, and that pattern can actually start to pop out again, and we could see Doge for another push to the upside if it's possible. So I'm just going to take on one trend line just like that, take another trend line just like that a little bit, and we're going to drop. So all the way until 16th of November, and today is 14th of November. So in the next 2 days, we're about to see another pop, and we could be looking at this top to the bottom. And if things go as expected, if things are still bullish, then we're going to see a technical target. Here it is, all the way back to the all-time high and create a new all-time high for Doge. Is it possible? Hell yeah, I'm all for Doge. I always say this, it is possible for Doge to create a new all-time high. I am definitely supporting that view. And tomorrow I'm going to be releasing the first episode of Stupid Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about meme coins and how Doge came into life. What is Dogecoin if you do not know? So if you're not subscribed, do that and keep an eye for tomorrow's new episode on Dogecoin. And also subscribe in general, because I'm going to be doing Dogecoin updates. So is this going to play out? Previously I've given you the whole technical target. I've given you 0.35, I've given you 0.22, and right now we are on the verge of it. There's one target that is pending, that is 0.56, number one, and also a new all-time high. These are two targets that are actually pending right at the moment. And be careful, the market is really pumped up. And by the way, we still have to wait 2 more days, because keep in mind, if this pattern breaks down, then we're going to see Dogecoin coming down like this as well, and maybe create another sideways movement here, and then maybe go back up again, right? So how is it going to be? We're going to get to know in the next 2 days. So keep an eye on the channel for the updates, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.